I have not made a video in so long, but I am in Seattle for my friend's wedding. She was my freshman year roommate. So excited. Never been to Seattle, and I'm actually a bridesmaid in her wedding. And I don't know how to vlog. It makes me nervous and everyone's staring at me, so kind of awkward. I landed 2 hours ago, and I was gonna vlog right when I got off the plane, but I've been up since 4 and I was exhausted. And then I saw a spa and I just had to get a massage. So I got a massage and then got lunch, and I'm waiting for my friend Courtney to get here. So I think she'll be here like any minute. She just texted me that she's like coming downstairs.
No waiting permitted.
So I just had to wait 2 hours for her to land, and oh my gosh, I think she's here. Where is she? I don't see her. I need to go look for her. I'm vlogging.
Are you vlogging right now?
Oh my gosh, hi.
Hi.
Hey guys. We're surrounded by people. Waiting for, whoa. How do you zoom on this? Oh, wrong way. My chapped lips. So, we got our little tickets, and we're headed to West Lake to, we're riding the light rail, or whatever this is called. And our friend Allie, the bride, is picking us up. I'm so happy to be reunited with my roomie. It's really crazy because we were roommates freshman year and we're roommates still, but the other girl is getting married. Allie's getting married. The other girl. So that's why we're here in Seattle. We're bridesmaids. Is it your first time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's both our first times being bridesmaids, so we're super excited. We bought Allie flowers.
I love you.
The bride.
I'm so excited.
Bought these sunglasses from Nordstrom Rack for way too much money. But I don't have like a good pair of sunglasses, so I had to.
Hannah and I used to always joke and say, hey guys, so blah, blah, blah.
Literally freshman year, like I would practice my hey guys because I wanted to YouTube.
When you went in the hallway once because you didn't want to do it in the room.
Oh my gosh, Hannah, what did you...
One time when you guys were gone, I did like a healthy freshman year vlog.
No
I was like,
way!
healthy options if you don't have a kitchen, like dorm meals or something.
Some microwavable edamame.
Microwavable green beans.
Yep.
Okay, so this is Allie. That's also Allie. This is the bride. And that's Courtney. What are these called? Fly planes?
Seaplanes.
Seaplanes.
All planes are fly planes, Hannah.
This looks good. This looks good. That looks good.
This is good.
You're beautiful.
You would feel really good after drinking.
Are you gonna drink that?
You should get that for your tummy.
I am. I'm getting it right now. Will you videotape my stomach quick? Like, look at it. It's like hard.
How do you zoom?
This is our Airbnb. What city are we in?
Hannah.
What?
Seattle. We're in Capitol Hill.
I'm wearing outdoor voice leggings and an urban, no, what is this? Brandy Melville top.
Okay, Allie got me the blue ones and those top left white ones and the top middle ones.
Allie, you can see your blood crack through those.
I don't want that opening.
You can poop.
Sexy.
Now I can poop and not pull down my underwear.
So, we're getting ready to go. Where are we going? We're going to
run errands,
get our nails
plates.
done, run errands.
Wait, what is that?
Hopefully go to Brandy Melville. What are you using, Jessica?
I am just using, let me go with this.
Okay, yeah.
Tarte Shape Tape.
Okay. Everyone say their Holy Grail foundation.
I'm gonna say Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. It's
Really?
probably my go-to. Yeah.
Allie.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Jeez, she's rich, dude.
Rich.
It is $60. It's really not worth it.
Rich.
Other than that,
NARS. What's your Holy Grail, Gab?
I gotta say Clinique.
Clinique?
you know what?
Beyond Perfecting.
Oh, okay. Everyone talks about it. Has like the
It is
concealer applicator
Yeah,
thing. I am the worst at doing hair. Like I cannot do.
I just curl it and that's all.
I learned how to curl my hair like 1 year ago.
What?
Not kidding.
Oh my
And I
God.
still suck.
How'd you like your Cocoa Kind highlighters?
Oh, I brought them if you want to try.
I said
So good.
you do like them? I looked at them
I
online.
really
they're
like
cute.
them.
Oh, they're
I
bigger
gave
than I
one
thought
to
they'd
my
be.
mom. I actually really like Cocoa Kind. I have the rose water spray over there. Beauty Blender, we love you.
Hey,
If you're watching.
sponsor me. Send me PR. Thank you.
Sponsor me.
You
I'm
usually
using
oily?
the
No.
Cocoa
Dry.
Kind.
Okay, good. That's why I gave you that.
What is this called? Highlighter stick.
We are going.
It's so
where are we
pretty.
going?
Oh my gosh, let me just see you right now. Guys, look at this crazy girl. Come over here. You look so good.
No, the sunglasses.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Gab. See you later.
Have a good day at school. I'm totally dropping my class. I just have yet to tell my mom.
Do it.
Are you serious?
I'm failing it and it's the 4th week.
You're just taking one summer class?
Yeah, and that was a mistake. I like took it to lighten my load for my last semester because I only have 1 semester left. So I thought it would be a good idea to like have an easy last semester, but I'm not in the right mindset to like be taking a summer class right now. Human resources, but my teacher's like such a jerk. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Finished look.
Do you want me to do your brows?
Oh yeah, Allie's gonna do my brows. This is the before brows.
Really super natural. Do you see the difference?
It looks good. Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
Look at this brow.
I did it really naturally.
It looks so on fleek.
Do you like it?
Brows on fleek.
Great.
Broken.
Moment of truth.
It's fine.
You go.
Miracles do happen.
Okay. They
Done?
look really good.
Oh my gosh, guys. I suck at doing eyebrows and they look so good, Allie. I wish I could do my eyebrows like this. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Super natural. Bye. Going to get our nails done. Are we walking or driving? We're all squeezing into
1 mini Fiat.
a Fiat.
Oh my god.
Don't learn from our ways. We'll put it back all the way. How about
This
that?
is my current situation.
Gonna wipe off.
That's pretty.
Pretty. It's like a white. What color are you getting?
I don't know.
The Holy Land. I think I need that shirt. Hangover RX replenishing face primer. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I got Laura Mercier powder, which is my favorite. I got this to brush my eyelashes. I stole it. And I got a mitt to put my self-tan on for the wedding. And I got more.
She got more.
Guys,
what'd you get for
they
Brand?
told me to take a bunch of stickers.
You took so many. I did not take that many.
Holy
They were peer pressuring. They were like, take more, take more. I got this super cute bodycon dress, which normally I don't like super tight like dresses like this. but I thought that the color was really
Did
pretty.
it look good on?
And it looked good on. It wasn't like too short and
Yeah.
like grody.
Yeah.
This
grody.
was
Gross and stuff.
26. How much was it? Yeah, 26. I got this basic shirt that everyone has, but I'm like, with cutoffs, like you have to.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And also just, it's so soft that I had to get it. And then this was, I can't see, 32. And then, which that is so overpriced.
Yeah,
I didn't look at the prices because I don't have Brandy at home, so I'm like,
like,
I'm just
I'm
gonna
just
get what I
gonna buy
want. I got this super cute, like little tank. It looks
What's
so
our
like
ETA?
dainty. Got this basic black, oh, how much was this? This was 16, which I feel like is a good price. I got this black
50.
basic tank, which I just needed a black one. This was cheap. Nope, it was 16. Never mind.
Nothing there is cheap.
And then I got this little yellow basic tank. It's just so comfy that I had to get it. This was $12. Okay, now we're
the
talking.
cheapest thing that
Now
you got.
we are talking Brandy Melville. I got this basic white crop t-shirt, which was 16. I almost thought I paid 25 and freaked out.
You're like,
I was like, I could have got this anywhere. And then this is my favorite, well, one of my favorites. I got
You could turn your blinker on at least.
I'm
this,
taking these ones.
okay,
Most people won't though.
I got this zip down cropped cream sweater, and this was kind of expensive. It was 35, but I just liked it a lot, and it was like a good material.
Look up.
That's my haul.
Get this toasted.
Sure. I'll have to toast you a new one, but I'll bring it right
Thank you.
And then were you waiting on anything else?
Yeah, broccoli cheddar bread bowl, Caesar salad, so good. Where are we? What city is this?
This is, well, Bellingham's over there with all those white things you see. But that's Chuckanut Bay. That's Chuckanut Drive. You can drive all the way in. That's Lummi Island. This is Samish. And the little town just directly that way is Bow.
Wait, let me see.
They don't pinch you
Let
though.
me
Why
see.
don't they pinch you? They're kind of stupid.
Oh my goodness, that's a pretty one. We're at Allie's beach cabin, and it's so nice and relaxing. Just laying in the sun. It's the perfect temperature. Cherries. We got cherries for days, and I love cherries. Cherries are one of my favorite foods, and so are crabs.
This looks like an apple.
And we're gonna go try to catch some crabs later, so I'm so excited. This is like way too close for the ground. Oh gosh, my legs are gonna break off. This is gonna go very wrongly. This is gonna go very wrongly. Successful.
Fried house pickles with buffalo.
Dinner. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm just shook because this is so beautiful. Thanks, God.
That's good.
Because I went ham on her face.
I have tears.
Like, I just put it everywhere.
I'm crying.
They just like tipped, I think.
How long has it been for you guys? When did you get married?
We got married last night.
Yes, that would be us. My couch. How beautiful does that look?
Oh my gosh! It's a wedding! Allie, I love it. I love it so much. It's better than anything I have ever imagined.
What is it?
Sony A5100.
We need a boy.
It's good because it has the flip-up vlog screen so you can see yourself.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah. I
Do
can
it.
see myself.
We have a towel.
I make YouTube videos.
We're going to line you up. We're going to do the full processional, first and last minute of the ceremony, walk back out and be done. Let's go, nice and quick. So,
Walking in and out.
Bridesmaid or groomsman, I need you up here. Bridesmaids on my left, groomsmen on my right. If you are a parent that is not David, I need you to come up here to the front row and I'll get you seated.
I was gonna get in with you.
So come right out here to the outside edge of that first bench. Perfect. And
Isn't that fabulous?
Yeah, we love you, Jesus. Thank you for Allie and Chase. Amen.
Amen. Love you.
attention. Don't shout the answer. Just raise your hand, get my attention. I'll come to you. Give me the right answer. Your whole table gets.
Make a decision and keep it.
Love and forgive. Make a decision and keep it.
I'll always look out for you.
I love you. Have fun in Italy.
Get in there.
I love you. I love you. I love you. We love you. I love you.
He's vlogging already? It's only 4:41 in the morning.
I know. Vlogging already. Hi guys. Morning. We're so tired.
It's 4 a.m. I just want everyone to know that.
What time did we go to bed?
I don't know, but you passed out before I did.
We went to bed at like
Not a
1,
time. Not a
2?
good time for
I
us
don't
to be
know,
up
but
right
it's
now.
4. And we're exhausted and we're like dehydrated. We're going to the airport.
Yeah.
I'm so happy you're with me.
Me too. I'd be so sad if I was alone.
I'm so sleepy.
Me too. Good night.
Good night, bye. And I'm so happy to be back. I had an amazing time in Seattle, and it was a beautiful wedding. I'm vlogging.